What?
Oh! Didn't even know that guy was there. Looks like he didn't know I was here either. Don't you dare. Don't even think about it.
He's gonna do it.
Do it. Oh, come on.
Closer to victory.
Jam is nuts. Get the heck out of. Oh, he stopped being on fire.
You kind of got nay on.
My tail is almost just gone. Can I even pull down? Alright, I'm not gonna be able to do that. How am I supposed to pull down? I don't have any flat. I don't even. My tail.
Don't know how many times that's happened to me. Where I'm on my descent down to the airfield, and there's just like a random fighter just like shoots out both my bottom flaps, so I can't pull down, so I just overshoot the runway. And I can't gain any height. So I'm kind of just like screwed.
I have an idea. I'm gonna use barrel roll techniques to lose altitude. I'm the biggest brain of big brain.
You're gonna tear the wings. You're gonna tear the wings.
I'm not gonna do this. See, look at the altitude. Alright, I'm gonna do this. Thank you, Captain Obvious. My flying speed's too low. I don't have a tail. I barely got a tail. I'm surprised I'm not dead. Speaking of dead, who died? He killed the side gunner, the bottom gunner, and one of the top gunners, but didn't even. Or I guess he almost didn't die. By the way, I don't think I'm gonna be able to turn around. Yeah, this time.
You just gotta keep on doing that.
The only thing is, if I don't make this on the first run, I have no idea how I'm gonna be able to do the second run.
I mean, there's always an aircraft there.
I'm not gonna. If you think, if I can't even land on this airfield, I'm not even able to land on the aircraft here.
Uh-oh. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make it.
It's gonna definitely be a rough landing, though.
Uh-oh. Brandon. Brandon.
Yes. I'm gonna freaking make it. I'm gonna make it.
You have to pull down.
I'm trying to pull down.
Pull down better.
I have an idea. Oh, this ain't gonna do it, Chief.
You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it.
I'm gonna make it.
You're not gonna make
I'm
it.
gonna make it. I'm gonna make it.
You're not gonna
I'm
make it.
gonna make it. I freaking made it.
Oh my god.
Oh, thank me.
Oh my god.